Okay guys, so here is how to see the forgotten Instagram password on our cell phone. The first step, you open the Instagram application. And then you select the profile menu in the lower right corner. After that, select the three-line menu in the upper right corner, then select Settings. And in this Settings menu you select Security. And then next you choose a password, guys. Okay, and then tap on the Current Password section. And then next you select this lock icon image, guys. And select Manage Passwords. And choose this Instagram.com. Okay, here to open security, you are only asked to use a pattern, or it can also be done with a fingerprint. And here is your current Instagram account username and password, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.